How's it everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm taking delivery of my beautiful Toyota Land Cruiser LC79. Let's start immediately by modifying it. Let's start with the interior. The interior is still in a very good condition, but I want to upgrade it. So I've got an idea, let's see if it works. Also, we need to sound deaden this Land Cruiser. It's after all a farm bakkie, so it's very tinny. And yeah, let's start and see what we can do with it. I first started by removing the seats, the center console, cup holder, amplifier, subwoofer, and then the carpet. As you can see, it's quite dirty underneath, so it's going to take a hell of a lot of elbow grease to clean it up nicely and prepare it for the sound deadening. I then removed the safety belts, all the interior trim and the headliner. So we're going to upgrade every single thing on this interior. I'm removing the roof console. As you can see, just look at that dust mark. It's quite dirty and the dust on the back. But yeah, let's get this roof lining out and recover it. Starting to remove all the door panels. This is my LC79. Today we're going to sound deaden the interior. You will see in the previous video I've removed the complete interior, washed it out and degreased it all the way. Let's start with the roof. As you can see, it's very tinny. That's what we want to get rid of. Factory sound deadening. You can see very little bit, but let's throw on the time lapse and start with the roof. I'm fitting a 2mm thick sound deadening from Dr. Artex, and yeah, cut them to size and then you just roll them onto your panels. So here the roof is almost done. Onto the side panels. As you can see, it takes a hell of a lot of rolling. It's not an easy job and it's not that difficult, but it's very time consuming. Doing the rear firewall. Yeah, I started with the floor. The original sound deadening does not lift, so it's fine if you put your sound deadening over it. Yeah, I've done the door cards, I've done the inside and the outside. As you can see, the whole cab on the inside has been done. I must say, it's quite impressive, but at this stage my body was feeling all the elbow grease I've been putting into this job. I also fitted sound deadening foam on the inside of the door panels. Here I fitted some acoustic underlay. On the original carpet I'm going to remove the felt and replace it with new felt. Time to fit my Flex Adventures center console fridge, which I wrapped in carbon fiber. And wow, just look at that door panels. Doesn't it just look nice? Please comment below what you think of this interior. Blacked out the roof lining. If you like the interior, let me know what you would like to see me do next to this vehicle. Still a lot of stuff to do, canopy fit out, exhaust pipe and many more. Make sure you like and follow my page. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers!